Hello everyone, my name is Shamanth Gowda. I am the CSAT faculty at Insights Bengaluru Center. CSAT, though it is qualifying in nature, but due to the rapidly changing dynamics of the exam, from the past 3 years, it is becoming very difficult to score even 33% of the marks. Students who are scoring more than 100 in the GS1 are also unable to score the 33% which the CSAT requires. Let's see some of the reasons behind this. First and foremost reason is starting the practice at the very end moment. If you start practicing in the month of May or else in April, you will get very less time to practice and revise. And we have 35 plus topics are there, which is very less time if you start in May or in April. And one more reason is inability to understand the demand of the question. Every question will be having what is given and what is asked in the question. You must know how to correlate between these two things. Lack of practice. Hence, see, very end moment, then definitely this will lead to a lot of lack of practice and lack of conceptual clarity also. UPSC exam is all about concepts, not a formula. If you don't have a clarity about the concepts, then definitely there is a chance of misunderstanding of the question and ending up making mistake. This leads to insufficient number of questions attending in the exam. We need to attend 27 plus questions effectively and you might go short of it. And lack of one consolidated notes or material. See, if you go to the market, there will be lot of notes and books are there, but you cannot get all the books and read from all those books. So you need to have one-stop consolidated notes. And too many sources, definitely, as I have told you, will lead to the confusion. Dynamic in nature need to be updated with the trend. See, this exam, specifically CSAT, from the past 3 years, it's dynamically changing. Very dynamically changing. Earlier, the format of the exam was little bit moderate or else easy we can say. But from the past 3 years, it has become very difficult. How to overcome these lacunae? One simple thing is start early. Okay, start early. The best time to start is January, which gives you sufficient time to practice and revise and get clarity. And also, at the end, you need not to worry about only CSAT. You can focus on the GS1 also. And avoid these wrong strategies. The wrong strategies are depending only on the RC. See, so many students will do this, only RC, because RC is very time consuming and you cannot rely on only one section. Mugging up of formulas. As I have told you, UPSC is all about concepts. If you start mugging formulas, there are n number of formulas and you cannot memorize it also. Solving only the previous question papers. This is totally academic mindset because no question will be repeated every year. Hence, depending on the previous year question paper doesn't help much here. And have one consolidated notes. See, have one complete notes for all the 3 sections. Arithmetic, reasoning and also the RC, which you can rely on and also you can revise from during the exam times. Okay, avoid multiple sources. Do not buy some books. Okay, do not buy some books. It's of no use. Fourth and the most important point is managing the time. CSAT exam is all about race against the time here. Hence, managing the time is one important aspect of this exam. Using shortcuts and tricks, we can do this one. If you know the shortcuts and tricks, you can cut down the time for any question and you can save time for the further questions so that you can attend more number of questions. And make your basics strong. Very important, your basics has to be very strong to understand the demand of the questions. And also your calculation skills must be decent. Keeping all these things in mind, we at Insights have designed a specific course in CSAT. Okay, and it is going to start from 24th January 2022. What are the things you can expect from this course? Since CSAT paper can be broadly classified into 3 sections. One is arithmetic, one is logical reasoning and one is comprehension, that is reading comprehension. In arithmetic section, 20 topics will be covered, which includes time and work, pipes and system, time, speed and distance, permutation, combinations, etc., which includes 20 topics along with the basics and a detailed conceptual clarity will be given in the class itself. And lot of questions will be covered and practiced in the class itself. And solutions without the formula, very important aspect, without the formula, okay. Without formula, we are going to solve each and every topics here. One more important section is reasoning, in which we have 15 plus topics which are further classified into both logical reasoning and analytical reasoning. Logical reasoning means whether it can be blood relationship, directions and distance, and also coding and decoding, etc. Analytical reasoning depends on the verbal part, that is the conclusion, inferences, assumptions. And the best method to solve this reasoning section is common sense based approach. Common sense, using the common sense based approach, and also before going to the common sense based approach, you must have familiarity about what are the topics and what are the variants from which we can expect questions from. One more section is reading comprehension. In reading comprehension, this course specially focuses on the time management, how to manage the time. It's not about only reading the passage, you have to work on the keywords asked in the question also. The keywords, some of the keywords UPSC depends on is assumption, inference, conclusion, corollary, and these are some of the keywords. If you don't know the difference between assumption and inference, that becomes again wrong misunderstanding about the question, and you might make a mistake which leads to less accuracy. Okay, after attending the class, I'll make sure that in reading comprehension, your accuracy level will be up to 90%. And what are the advantages of this course? See, one advantage is we'll do the detailed analysis of the previous year questions. So after the course, you will get to know how easily you could have done from the past 3 exams. And this helps a lot for non-science and also non-maths background students. Okay, and I'll assure you, after the course, anyone who has attended, we can attend 50 plus questions in the upcoming 2022 CSAT exam. And also, this course will be both online as well as offline, and offline will be in Bangalore Center only. And one more specialty is we are giving the recording classes, and these recording classes will be provided on the same day. Those who have missed the online, offline, or else who are working or also can avail these recording classes. And we at Insights are known for our mentorship programs. And for the first time for CSAT also, one-to-one mentorship program is given, and also a lot of doubt clearing sessions will be kept in each and every classes. So guys, let the CSAT not stop you from becoming a civil servant. This is about the class. The class starts from 24 January 2022, and the course duration will be for 1 month or else approximately 35 days, and the fee structure will be 8,999, which includes GST. And there is an early bird offer which is till 21st of Jan, 15% of discount will be given, and the old subscribers also can avail 20% discount. And guys, I have a lot of experience in teaching mental ability and logical reasoning from the past 7 years in all the topmost institutes in India, and also I have taught thousands of students across all the level of competitive exams, whether it's UPSC, CSAT, CDS, banking, SSC, you name it. So guys, avail this course and make the best of this course, and let CSAT not stop you from becoming a civil servant. Thank you.